What's good YouTube? In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to fix cannot verify server identity error on iPhone mail in 2024. So every time you go to mail, so I'm going to search up mail real quick. Every time you go here, you should get this little error on the screen right here. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to fix that. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to your settings. You have to scroll down until you see general. It should be under screen time and focus. So just click on general. Then once you click on general, what you have to do is click on data and time. Most of you should have it set automatically. If you don't, just turn it off and just turn it back on. Then once you do that, you have to just go back. And once you do that, what you have to do is scroll down and see if you have any software update. If you do, just install that. You're going to go back again. Then once you go back, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on that, click on reset. You're going to have to reset all settings, reset all network settings. Then once you do that, you're just going to go back again. Now you're going to go to general again. Click on shutdown. And you're going to reset your whole phone. Then once you reset your whole phone, if you go back to mail, that problem should be fixed. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.